Having breakfast?
Yeah.
So very good. Today, before coming to the lesson, I will ask some small questions. So what we observe in our surroundings means we can observe in so many things like rocks, plants, animals, human beings, and so many things. So in these things, for example, you take rock means it does not move from one place to another place, and it cannot respond and it cannot feel. But human beings, the human beings are moved from one place to another place. The human beings have need food and water and grow. So rocks, why it does not move from one place to another place means that the rock is the non-living thing. The human being is the living thing. So our topic is living things and non-living things. Why? What is meant by living things means which things have life in them, that is called living things. Which things does not have life, that is called non-living things. So coming to the living things means the living things have some characteristics. How many characteristics living things mean? Living things have how many characteristics means? They have 6 characteristics. What are they means? First one, need food and water, and the living things can move, and living things can grow, and fourth one, the living things can feel, and fifth one, living things can reproduce. Next, why the living things need food and water means? The living things need food and water means to live and grow and move. All living things move from one place to another place. But coming to the plants means it does not move from one place to another place, but it can move some parts. It can move some parts, grow. Coming to the animals, puppy will grow into a dog, and small kids will develop into adult. Small plants will grow into a big plant. How the living things can breathe means the human beings, they can breathe through the lungs, and different animals, they can breathe in different organs. Different animals, they can breathe in different organs, like fishes. How they can breathe fishes in what? The fish grow where? The fish grow in water. So that's why the fish is an aquatic animal. How they can breathe means fish, they can breathe air through the gills. What they can breathe means fish, they can breathe through the gills. Human beings, like human beings, how they can breathe human beings means human beings breathe through the lungs. So that is reproduce. What is meant by reproduction? The living things can reproduce their own kind. That is called reproduction. That is called reproduction. Plants will flower. It can move towards the sun. It can move towards the sun. So that is the characteristics of living things. The living things have how many? Because of these characteristics, which is the living thing, which is the non-living thing. Because of these characteristics, we can prove that is the living thing, this is the non-living thing. Next, natural things. Natural things. What is meant by natural things means which things are created by the nature, that is called natural things. So plants, these things are called natural things. The sun, it gives its own light. Moon, it does not use its own light, but they can reflect the sun. So sun is a source of light. If we give sun, the sun will give light and energy. So that's why the sun is a source of light. The sun is source of light. Plants and animals, that is your natural things. Man-made things. Which things are made by the nature, made by the human beings? The things are called man-made things. Like machines, bottles, example, and books. These things